Here's how to deposit cash with TD Bank and the different ways you can do it. First, you can use TD Green Machine ATMs. These ATMs let you deposit cash and checks 24/7 in a secure encrypted system. You can deposit up to 50 bills at a time with no envelope needed, and you'll get an itemized receipt, including printed images of any checks you deposit. Another option is TD Express Deposit. This is perfect for businesses that want to drop off cash or checks outside of regular banking hours. You simply place your deposit into the secure depository unit at your local branch, and TD will process it for you. Businesses can even arrange for an armored car pickup, so deposits go straight to TD's processing facility without keeping cash overnight. And of course, you can always visit a TD Bank branch. With one of the largest branch networks in North America, and more locations open on Sundays, you can walk in to speak with a TD representative, handle deposits, withdrawals, or any other business banking needs. So whether you prefer the ATM, a secure drop box, or going inside a branch, TD Bank gives you multiple ways to safely and conveniently deposit cash.